Coffee table ideas. How to choose the perfect coffee table. A coffee table is a versatile and essential piece of furniture for your living room. It not only provides a spot for your drinks but also adds style and functionality to your space. With so many different styles, sizes, and factors to consider, choosing the right coffee table can be a daunting task. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a wide range of coffee table ideas to help you make an informed decision that complements your home decor and lifestyle. Exploring creative coffee table ideas. A well-chosen coffee table can become the focal point of your living room. Let's explore some creative coffee table ideas that will elevate your space and reflect your personal style. Modern minimalism. Achieve a sleek and contemporary look with the minimalist coffee table. Opt for clean lines, smooth surfaces, and minimalist designs that create an open and airy feel in your living room. Square fluted dark wooden coffee table on a jute area. Rustic charm. Embrace the warm and inviting atmosphere with a rustic coffee table made from reclaimed wood or featuring distressed finishes. Pair it with cozy seating and earthy tones for a charming and relaxed ambience. Glamorous elegance. Make a statement with a glamorous coffee table featuring mirrored surfaces, metallic accents, or intricate details. This style adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any living space. Scandinavian simplicity. Embrace the Scandinavian design ethos of simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. Choose a coffee table with clean lines, natural materials like lightwood, and a minimalist aesthetic to create a serene and cozy atmosphere. 2 triangular nested coffee tables. Eclectic mix. Create an eclectic and personalized look by mixing different styles and materials. Combine vintage finds with modern pieces, experiment with bold colors and patterns, and let your imagination run wild. Choosing the right coffee table for your space. Now that you've explored various coffee table ideas, it's time to narrow down your choices and select the perfect coffee table for your living room. Here are some practical considerations to keep in mind. Size and proportion. Ensure that the coffee table is proportionate to your seating area. As a general rule, it should be 2/3 the length of your sofa. If you have a sectional sofa, consider the longest section as the basis for choosing the table size. However, don't be afraid to adapt these guidelines based on your specific space and preferences. Shape and style. The shape of your coffee table should complement the overall style and layout of your living room. Round tables work well in smaller spaces and with curved sofas, while square or rectangular tables align with larger sofas or sofas with clean, straight lines. Consider how the table's shape will impact the flow and functionality of the room. Functionality and storage. Think about how you intend to use your coffee table. If you enjoy a clutter-free space, a simple design with a small surface area will suffice. However, if you need storage for books, magazines, or other items, choose a coffee table with integrated storage options like drawers or shelves. This ensures that your living room remains organized and tidy. Wooden rustic style coffee table with 2 drawers. Material and durability. Select a coffee table material that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Wood, glass, metal, and acrylic are popular options, each offering unique aesthetics and durability. Consider factors like maintenance requirements, resilience to wear and tear, and how well the material complements your existing furniture and decor. Versatility and adaptability. Choose a coffee table that can adapt to different occasions and needs. Consider tables with adjustable heights or nesting tables that offer flexibility in arrangement. This versatility ensures that your coffee table remains functional and relevant as your living room needs evolve. Modern coffee table with 2 tops that swivels out. How to match your coffee table with sectional sofas. If you have a sectional sofa, selecting the right coffee table requires additional considerations to ensure a cohesive and balanced look. Here are some guidelines to help you achieve harmony between your coffee table and sectional. Scale and proportion. The coffee table should be in proportion to the size of your sectional sofa. Aim for a table that complements the overall scale of the sectional without overwhelming it. Consider the height and depth of the sofa arms and choose a coffee table that aligns well with them. Shape and placement. The shape of the coffee table should mirror or contrast with the sectional's design elements. If your sectional has curved features, consider a round or oval coffee table to harmonize with the soft lines. For sectionals with clean, straight lines, opt for square or rectangular coffee tables to enhance the geometric appeal. Round wooden coffee table on a geometric patterned rug. Functionality and flow. Ensure that the coffee table size and placement allow for easy movement around the sectional. Leave enough space for comfortable seating, walking paths, and other furniture pieces. The coffee table should enhance the flow of the room while providing convenient access to drinks and other items. Style and aesthetics. Consider the overall style and aesthetic of your sectional when selecting a coffee table. Match the materials, finishes, and design elements to create a cohesive look. Alternatively, explore contrasting styles to add visual interest and create a dynamic focal point in your living room. How tall should a coffee table be? The height of a coffee table should align with the seat height of your sofa or chairs, ensuring easy access and comfort. Consider the reach from a seated position and aim for a height that visually harmonizes with surrounding furniture. Ultimately, choose a height that suits your personal preference and enhances the functionality of the table. How big should a coffee table be? The size of a coffee table should be proportional to the seating area, typically around 2/3 the length of your sofa. Consider the available space in the room, ensuring the table fits comfortably without obstructing movement. Choose a size that meets your functional needs, allowing for drinks, snacks, and decor. Provide enough legroom between the seating and the table for comfortable sitting and ease of movement. Remember, a coffee table is more than just a functional piece of furniture. It's a statement of your personality and a gathering place for loved ones. Take your time, explore different options, and choose a coffee table that truly resonates with you.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.